Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again at the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. Pressing the like button mean a lot to the channel. You know, see. Now, you know, some new bloomer come in the comment section and drop some little sound, you know, show some word and thing like that, like them know something about me or me don't know about myself. See, I like them know something where them, I don't know, you know, one of them one they like somebody as Betty or a fair. You know them one they call you come in my comment section and I say me help mash up Jamaica too. And I throw a word and thing like that. Watch me there with my face and attack. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should even bother do that. And you see, because now your whole life, miserable life, you still is a big coward. You're even hidden behind the keyboard and still not talk where you know and where you can outline. Anyway, let me tell you what me know about me. No grape can't go on, no woman. Every woman of them virtue protected by me and me alone. No matter if them, we not talk about no favors or not like that. Can promise you that. Every woman independent and can do them thing, them, yeah. See? Yeah. Stand up for that. Poor people, first thing we are talking about the youth them. Youth have to go to school. Every youth can tell you that today where experience I and I. See, I and I make it I point of duty. Because from me about 80-year-old, me a parent, you know. You know, see, yeah. From me a 80-year-old, me a parent myself. So, I have to develop that level there. A nurturing ability. You know, see, and look at you, the one that I charge. Can't tell you. Blacks and Red Bull, I can't call you no blood clot name, because I'm a big man, and nothing wrong with you. I'm not good you too. I think last time I did somebody come and say, me an informer or something like that. Blacks and Red Bull, me used to bad up them little youth there. No, well, I'm a great badness, because I'm a big man. But terrorize them if you stay off of the road and go to school. Hey boy, no go to school this morning. And then we trust, yeah, we go to school and thing on a half day and yeah. I'm just say, alright, no good, and gone, or whatever. You know, see, but yeah. You there right now, we can talk where me stand for as a big man. And if them was youth, and I like me, I don't know, big old man like now. And if them was youth, you know, if me did die young then, and have them principle there at that time, they could I imagine now? You couldn't expect anything better from than what go on right here now. You know, see, old lady, remember in my bed one morning about 3 o'clock. No, about 9 o'clock. I think we did that drama here already. 9 or 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. You know the morning. 7 o'clock coming like 4 or 5 o'clock for we. Because we up till 2, 3. You know see. So mommy come. My phone ring and they are ring and I answer my phone. Long story short. Sure me did that drama here already, but I'll say it again. Because it's like that mouth there. Yeah, finger there, finger there really that type. See, I want to answer my phone eventually. The lady I say, sir, somebody thief my goat right here, whatever. So I get pissed off. You know, there was a moment where I tell me that for, when I go to the station, go tell the police them no. Mummy said, oh, you think me get your number? Sir, I don't go to the station, I go and the police them give me your number. Say, I better come call you, because you will get it back quicker than them. And that statement there alone jolt me out of my sleep, straight to consciousness. That's why I said, well, I'm going to get up, go serve and protect Rasta, because see that nobody else now do it. No disrespect to the officer, them enough love and respect, manners and respect. You know why not do it? They don't know I chat, we just chat off more. You see, yeah, easier, far quicker, and less stress, more balance. You know what I say, yeah. So I man jump up out of my bed and just like what the officer them say, you know, so it's like I said this was about 7 o'clock. By 9 o'clock she have her goat rope in her hand gone home. Literally have her goat rope in her hand gone home. See that stuff? At them way the I man step. When me a step. No, watch her now. Even though balance out the score, police and soldier come scrape up off of the corner one time. Adams. Come scrape up off of the corner and carry go Yellowstone Road and thing like that. Scrape up the whole East Kingston and thing like that, you know? And me get released. See now, me get released early. And TVG and CVM they're on my corner because road black and tire burn and all of them things. See, not particularly for me. You see, Tony Brown get all in the thing too. Couple of that top man get all in the thing. Man name I'm not care for call. But you see, I can't say Omi did want it because Adams I look for Omi too and couldn't find it. Omi wanted for about a day by Adams. You know, I can't just tell that story again. You know. And there's a woman, Andrea pushed down Adams in her fence because she's so pissed off how Adams come and ruffle up the whole tranquility of her community. You know, see? And she just it's like she just cheap. Adams can testify. It's like she just cheap and now you come on here and bother you with them for. Hey, go back and push down big bad Adams in the heights and prime. Push him down. Him drop through a fence and a be a police I rather come with them M16 a pipe and hey girl. I see him Adams down in the fence. I say, hey, no man, no lower man, no. And get up back out of the fence and I say, hey. You know, say them youth are not so much of a bad man. Them youth are them community them are protecting. Them youth are not bad people. No, when you prepare for dead for that Adam said it there and go away. When you prepare for dead for Omika, Omi might ask one and go on and intimidate him. And you see a woman, a big chapping woman just get up and say, hey, just leave man. This is not a real place. Yeah? You just see it. And from that, anytime Adams come a park and easy. Anyway, back to my story now. See, I'm on riding on a bike and TVG and CVM TV there. Hey, a long time me a start. Sorry, you don't know, I'm rough. I'm rough. To the youth there. Yeah, TVG and CVM there. You see, when I'm on riding and come off and I, feel good and thing like that. And somebody touch me and say, yo, look over your shoulder, look around. Because them time the man never really in a them limelight type thing that really, you see, half yard CVM catch me. You very rarely catch me in a dance. Video man see me in a dance. Video man know say, hey, you know what, don't go over with the rest. Lord the rest, come back over here, sir. You see? Yes, I. Sin. Yeah, man. I don't know. I'm on left paved the road. No, when me left the road, no paved yet, but I cut curb and channel and level off, I plane off, chapter, I do the grade work and thing like that in a work hill. I cut road. Electricity is always up there, but it wasn't structured by GPS standard, man. You don't know the thing working I get up. See? Running water and our badness that we bring them thing they come in our Warwick Hill. You know, see, whoever you are, well, by now, you hope you're there this long till this far. And you can't go do no research, go do no investigation. We not running from nothing. We not running from nothing, man. Walk away and come here with free will and go back when you're ready, go look in and look out and as big man and enjoy yourself. You know, see, we are not coming like someone who not cut off no coattail there. People, poor people in our community right now. We stand up for I defense. Yeah. And someone don't know that. That's why I'm not on social media, whisper. That's what I'm doing now. So, you know, one of the ears, because we don't have a face, we don't have a picture, no thing, and we don't name, and the argument they want to drop a base, like a be be a guess and spell game. You see, so we can give details of our history. We're not proud of everything, but there are things and there where people remember, good things that people remember us far more than bad things. You see, I man remember I man sit down on I man corner and I see a lady come down the road. I say, I don't know what that day there, you know. I just look in a fear direction and start and observe. I can't remember what drew me attention to her. But it happened that's the day that I see actually see everything what she do from she bend the corner. And every yard coming down the road, she knock the gate. And somebody come to her like a postman or something like that. Somebody come to her and she give them a reasoning and then, you know, after a minute or two, she walk out the next yard and knock the gate. And I see her cross the road until she reach down this spot I there. See, she say, young man, you know, it's part of the room there in. So, me don't know what to say. I never think about that before. I've never factored something like that in my thing. Thinking so well then, empty room, the round this or the man, the rent room over. Them thing that never used to fashionable in our place. You know, see, that's just like, no, me, where you say, lady? Like, where you want room? In an Arman garden, down a Sigani, where, you know, that's a them place that we hear people. She said, no, up here, someone want a room, up here. You see, at the best get of this in a Jamaica. We don't know her, I never see her yet. We're not going to exaggerate, so she come from east or west, but she's a stranger to I. You see, she said, yes, she here so she can leave her bed at night time with her door open. See, she can leave her children, them go work and them well taken care of. Nobody not trouble. The community raise the children them under them portfolio. You know, see, we establish that love and that caring nature there amongst one another. You know, see, now no for now say people run away or run on my friend them or something like that. Let me tell you something what happen. We own our children them, spoil. And we grow them. When we raise them up, them not have no trouble. Nobody for molest them. Them not see borderline. Enough time war a fight and them never hear a pension drop. Them gone to school, see me, and I come back from school. Our own children, them see me, grow up spoiled and privileged. You know, see, and take what them have for granted. Just like most children, a lot of children do that. Take what them have for granted because them don't know no better, them don't know no worse. And think them can do better. And then now, you know what I say? Yeah, I say go. Our brother and sister them, our family them see them no matter what go on. You know. And we for some mourn. And we don't know nobody else Rasta. It's impossible now if we go say. No, it's impossible Rasta, regardless. So that's our business. A family affair that. And if you was part of the family, there is no way that would be a concern or any form of runway argument or them start a corrupt heart there would have come in the equation because we know what people them love. We not ask. And it's not a competition. Like I say, because we not nobody else. We have because say we are the bad one, and we are the bad set, yeah? Them are the good set. We are still family. And them everybody have good and bad, you know them, and everybody accept them good and bad about them. Yes, there's no you, there's no balance, then Rasta. You know see it. You know see it. Someone will come over here, so we don't know crazy talk. We are progressive stepper. We are not nothing compared to what them youth are going with today, Rasta. You know see it. If you have a last in our pocket, and a youth say, the youth them come first, I feel one that you know, you think of my one, you think me. It benefit me more than, I mean, that is like the reward, Rasta. Fear a youth step up to it. Hear somebody want help. And that was our reward as youth. And not posing with a piece or knocking to or anything like that or have enemies and them. No. It was all about the people, Rasta. Your man, who would there for? What's it about? Who no want some love? Who no want uncle them gunman nowadays, Rasta? Devilish mentality and attitude. They don't embrace love. They don't embrace the joy of companionship. They don't embrace challenge. Them a coward. Coward. Who no want set the standard or follow, observe the standard. Anything where I have to sacrifice to maintain a standard and a principle. No. Every and anything goes. You see, we lose some strap. We now going to look into how we can hide them better. No, we are going to say, we are justified by saying, oh, we can buy back more. It's a sad state of egoism, you know. And it's just no matter when a man attack or no man, the success rate is next to nothing because it's just be a body a drop. As a man rise, you say him drop. And Jamaica police not really want to do nothing about it because them are part of the whole thing too. Them attractive and thrilled by the whole thing. You see it? So them bypass and overlook certain things. For the most of it, a majority of them are coward again. Majority of them just left out of them mother church and go and collect a wage. You know see, just left out of school and go and collect a wage. You know see what I say, Rasta? Yes, I don't think there is any comparison. And if you try to make no comparison, you compare, if you think about me and my stepping in my time, compared to what them youth are going on with nowadays, Rasta, you would have love I. You wouldn't dare complain. So he's just a nice real newsmonger will probably one bust two tune and nobody now pay no mind and them way there. You could have sing up in your head too, like a dopey, and then you could way there. Create all kind and make yourself a nuisance to people who is supposedly less than you. You know see, them little sort of hypocrisy there. We can't embrace even when it approves somebody is faulty because that we want amongst we. You know see, and we want intelligent thinkers and actors. We don't want nobody run with act off of ego and things like that. The thing's supposed to be concentrated, the effort's supposed to be concentrated in the interest and the benefit of poor people, ghetto people, black people. You know see, not a competition, Rasta. See? You know see? You look back in the history because you hear me say gangster and right here, you better think, you better feel like, and it's not no Robin Hood business neither, man, they are professor that, you know. Who wants to say that? But like me, I tell you, hungry fed, better than now, age protected, seen, family protected, and the infant we cared for. No man can. No man under the sun can't challenge that and say a lie. I wanna tell. You see, no woman can point the man for me and say, under film regime, I suffer certain abuse. You mad? Boy, turn meat for that. Meat! We not talk about no. Come back tomorrow again and you nasty crap, you. Meat. Yeah, certain things, and the thing about it is that something happened by surprise. The rule was established from day that. You know, see, my family, my woman brother, this a man. 2 man. Him and a gangster, you know. A ordinary youth. But all of a sudden, him flare up and start going and me and reason with him because the argument was, if your family violate, I not deal with it, you know. Your family has another step. I not deal with it, you know, because watch ya. I know why him have I up or you have I up, and I don't know to what extent I will go. better you deal with it. See? So you see, how that prevent our family them from play up and act up is that now I now becomes the one who implore them to behave and stay within check. Don't act up and now strength about me, this or me. No. And me have to come back to the same way all when me no want to do it the hard as the rule is the rule long before we start, we establish. You know see it? So it end up and I saw our thing go without going into long details or nothing. You know see it? You know you can't see you end up find yourself becomes meat as well. If you sit down and go on like you want. You know see it? Yes I saw we grow, Rasta. Come condemn with it that. Find a way now where you can equate the standards with today and find a condemnation and find a way where you can condemn the standard. You know, see, based on what you see today. So I like give thanks. I like to say if you like, you know, share the content. We're not baby thing, we're not romanticize badness or step-ins. We're not glamorize it for no youth. You know, see it. We have story can tell. Or this we don't want to go in at them things because it's not all hunky-dory or glamorous. For the most of it, a stress and this a fretration and botheration. You know, see it? Because a lawlessness same way. And a whole heap of, you know, more positive. Although sometimes you need some people, you know. Yeah. You know, I'm saying, Rasta Peter, share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.